Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Our yummy recipe for today is beef brisket adobo in Filipino style. All the complete ingredients are listed below, including the Filipino barbecue sauce I use in this recipe. If you want to know how to make my beef brisket adobo in Filipino style, please continue watching and I will show you how to do it. The usual Filipino adobo recipe composed of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, bay leaves, whole peppercorn, salt, and brown sugar. Filipino really loves sweet. My dry rub for my beef brisket adobo, I'm going to use Sitas adobo savory sauce mix with other spices and seasoning plus a fresh garlic. Let's start by mixing all the dry ingredients. I use 2 packs of adobo mix since the beef brisket is 4 pounds. Crushed peppers, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, crushed bay leaves, fresh garlic, and mix. Get the beef brisket dry with a kitchen towel before putting cooking oil all over. Then rub all the dry rub mixture all over the beef brisket. Give a good massage to the beef meat before putting in a Ziploc plastic. Then put in the fridge to marinate overnight. I bring out the beef brisket 1 hour before roasting. I line the baking pan with aluminum foil, a rack to elevate the meat, and cover the meat with parchment paper and aluminum foil. I'm not cooking any food direct with aluminum foil. put in a preheated oven at 285 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 hour per pound. After 4 hours, my husband helped me to get the beef brisket from the oven, and I'm the one filming.
Look out!
The beef brisket looks good.
Wow! Good looking.
Good looking.
Wow! 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 Brisket. What more can you say?
We need to cover the beef brisket with parchment paper and aluminum foil for half hour to retain the moist and juiciness before carving. After 30 minutes, it's ready to carve, and yum yum! Brush your favorite barbecue sauce all over the beef brisket. Since this adobo is Filipino style, I brush it with my homemade Filipino barbecue sauce. At first, I thought the brisket still tough. Reminder, slice the beef brisket against the grain. This beef brisket adobo is yummy! Thanks to Mr. Alfonso Benitez from California for your beautiful Mickey apron. Thank you so much, sir. I love it. He said his wife is a Filipino. He tried my pandesal recipe to surprise his wife, and he make it good for the first time. I'm glad, sir. I'm sure your wife really missed the taste of pandesal in Pinas. Happy Thanksgiving! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. Happy holidays!